This is the order here at the Howard Johnson by Wyndham in Ocean City, Maryland. I'm guessing this is a Delaware elevator. GAL buttons. And here it is. Number 5. Here we go. I think it's hydraulic. Bumpy. Here at 5. Yep, this is a Delaware elevator. Coming down? Before you go into 1?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. Have a good night, guys.
Thanks, you too.
Someone's waiting. I'll take it for one more ride. It's not lots of hours. Now we're going to 1. You'll get a cab view. Very nice hotel elevator, but it's seen better days. Certificate, capacity 2,500 pounds. Here's the fixtures. And it looks like we're stopping at 3. What the heck? The indicator's messed up. That was weird. We'll go up for one more time. We'll look out the window going up and down. This always reminds me of the Center in the Square garage in Roanoke. Here we go down again. It's weird the indicator's messed up. That's kind of interesting. And here we're back at 1. And I'm going to send it up to 5. So you can watch it go up. Sorry. Actually, we can't really see it go up. There it goes. And that's it.